Of course, everybody is very concerned with how much rainfall and, of course, snowfall is going to be seen for many locations extending from California and beyond. You know, we've already had multiple days of rain and snow that have been taking its toll on places like the Golden State, with numerous reports of flooding, mudslides, as well as rock slides. Now, we're going to show you this atmospheric river of moisture. This graphic really demonstrates it very well, just to show you this pipeline of moisture that's literally feeding in like a fire hose. And here's a look at the result of just so much recent rainfall, and of course also heightening snowfall levels. And unfortunately, you know, you've got saturated ground. It's doing a number on the trees. We've also had, of course, very destructive winds, very high winds along with this. The additional rainfall outlook in California looks like this as we go through next week. Motorists have become stranded in some cases as a result of the flooding. And as a matter of fact, here's a look at the additional snowfalls we mentioned.
Uh-oh. Blackout here. Isolated power outages due to the heavy rain and wind. Power's out along Snell and Capitol.